Hi boys and girls, my name is Mr. K, and this is a quick tutorial on how to complete your Mama's New Chair activity that your teacher shared with you. So this is based on the story, A Chair for My Mother by Vera B. Williams, which is a great book. If you can read that book on your own, great, or your teacher might read it to you. If not, they have a link that they're going to share with you so that you can have access to the content. So the first few pages are reading comprehension questions. And anytime you see a blue shaded in box, please just put your cursor in there and type your answer. Now, because this is on a Google Slides presentation, it saves it for you automatically, which is really cool. So that may actually make a prediction. And then there's 2 pages of comprehension questions. So please use complete sentences and use text evidence when possible. There is a cause and effect activity that looks at what happened first and then what happened next. There is a sequencing map that asks you for 3 events. There is a story elements activity. So once again, just put your cursor in these boxes and you can type in your answers. There is an economics activity where it talks about goods and services. And so this is a explanation about what those are. So you can look through that. And then there are some math questions. So this is a table that looks at how a waitress or a waiter, when they earn their tips, how that would multiply. And the more they make, the more they're going to earn, or they're going to be able to save. And then this is a multiplying money activity. And then there are 3 word problems. To answer those, just once again, type in the box and you can type in your response. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. And if they can't answer it, they can reach out to me. Good luck and have a great rest of your school year. Thank you.